Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. Remember to like, share, and leave me a comment on this video. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe before you leave. And let's get right into today's video. And today's video is the January 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag. In this monthly subscription, you receive 4 to 5 products, and they are usually sample or deluxe sample sizes. This is $10 a month, and you do personalize it with a beauty quiz. I'm not 100% sure if Ipsy follows that to a T every single month, but I do think that they try to. And I know if you consistently get products that you've said you don't want, if you go through their customer service, they will help you and correct your profile so that you are happy with your glam bag each month. And that did happen with me. I was consistently getting highlighters and bronzers, and I said I did not want them because I do have a couple palettes and just will not use them. And they corrected it and were very nice and extremely helpful. On their website, they have a point system that if you refer new customers to them, you get 250 points. If you review your products each month, and out of the 4 to 5 products you receive, for each review you do, you get 15 points. And then you save up them points and you put them towards a product that they have listed under the redeem section. And you can get, sometimes if you save enough points, you can get a couple extra, free products in your bag for that month. They do have a shopper tab on their website that you can buy products at discounted prices. And if you are already an Ipsy Glam, or I think an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus member, you receive an additional 10% off the cost of the products, which that is always a nice little savings to get. Ipsy Glam Bag always comes in the pink bubble wrap packaging. And this is the bag, and this is more like a denim-y type, light blue and white, or a cream with Ipsy there. Nice pink trim, nice pink pull tab. And this is the first month that I've seen this. They've actually included a nice booklet, which then tells you all the products you got inside. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not even showing that to you. So this is about the Glam Bag Plus, and I'll put that there in case anybody wants to pause and read. But you get, all the information of the products that are in, which I love. They didn't used to do that, so now I guess this is something new for this year. So it's just, some products you could have gotten, because they do have different versions of the bag, because there's lots, you can see on the website lots and lots of samples, and then you can also do sneak peeks and see what you're going to get. I try not to do that because it spoils the surprise a little bit. So the first product that I took out of the bag is from The Balm, and this is the Alternative Rock. I think this is the volume 2, and this is a blush in Bare, and it says Minium. I don't know if that's supposed to be minimum or if that's actually Minium. Bare Minium. So that's like a corally mauve type color. I'll bring that a little closer. Hopefully it'll focus. So that's the first product. Which blushes, I always love to get blushes, so that's not a problem. And especially in small sizes, you don't need, I have tons of blush, so, getting the smaller ones are nice to try. So we got a brush this month, and usually there are brushes, at least as of late, which is always nice. It helps build your brush collection. And this brush is from, I'll show it to you, it's from Luxie, and it does have the little divot here, so when you're holding it, you get the nice, I'm sorry, I'm off camera again. You get the nice little, rest for your finger to make it comfortable. And this is very nice brush. I'm very happy with that. So this brush here is the Luxie Beauty 1010 Small Contour Brush. And in my opinion, brushes like this, yes, you can use it as a contour brush. You could put blush on with it. You could really, you use your brushes for however you see fit. Yes, certain brushes you really should use for what they're called for, but you don't have to just use it for what they say. You can use it for whatever you desire. The next product is from a company called Yensa. I have not tried anything. I have seen some of their products, on Instagram and here on YouTube. And this is a pumpkin turmeric 2-in-1 radiance polishing mask. And that looks pretty good. Let's see if there's a safety seal or if we can smell it. Oh, just what I like to see. Safety seal. I am more and more looking for that kind of stuff and do appreciate when companies do have them on there. And then the next product here is from, I don't know if you can see, oh, there it is. The company is Jante Blue, let's say it right. This is a lip liner pencil. And I do believe the lip liner pencil is in plum. Obviously, you can see the plum there. That's sort of like a ready plum, but let's see. Oh, I should do that on camera so you can see. Glides on, very nice. Is not, sometimes they're very, patchy. They skip. Now, this just came, so it was out in the cold. It's very cold here in Pennsylvania, and I did not have any problems putting that on. So that's always good. Sometimes then they're, just difficult. So if it's good cold, it's going to be, when it warms up, it's going to be even better. Then we have a mascara here, and it's going to be hard to see because of the glare. This is from Ciate London, and this is their Wonder Wand mascara, and I think it's Black Magic is the color. And this is obviously a sample, because as you can see, it says not for sale. Let me just see if we can get that to focus. Resale, I'm sorry. So I'm not going to open this. I have so many mascaras open in that I'm using. So, the minute you open it and air gets to it, that's your 3-month, mark that you should not continue to use it. So there's a mascara. So, and the bag itself is, beautiful pink lining. I mean, it's not the biggest bag we've ever got, but this would be great to throw in your handbag. Just to, if you have a few products that you take with you on a daily, some powder to touch up, or, a foundation. You could throw, a brush or two in here, depending on the size, and like a lipstick and stuff like that if you wanted to retouch up your makeup, or if you're going out after work, you could throw quite a few products in there so that you can, vamp up your makeup for evening, or, like I said, touch up during the day. So that's a nice bag. And I now have a collection of bags because I have one that I use in my handbag already, but that's okay. They're never, I give them away. I give them to friends or family, depending on if they need a little makeup bag. So the products that I received in my box are the Jante Blue lip liner, the Luxie brush, which is beautiful, the mascara from Ciate London, the polishing mask from Yensa, and then from The Balm, this is the Alternative Rock Volume 2, and this is a blush. So I am very happy with my Ipsy bag every month. It's $10 a month. You get your 5 samples. They say 4 to 5. I usually always get 5. I don't think I've ever just gotten 4 products from them. But, if you, 5 divided by the 10, plus you get the bag. So, if you include that, you're really getting 6 items. And if you just exclude the bag, you get 5 products. They're $2 a piece. Some of these, Ciate London is not cheap. The Balm is not cheap. Luxie brushes, this is more than a $2 brush. I don't know the exact price. I should have looked it up. But, you're going to pay some money for a good brush. And Luxie has very good brushes. Lip liners, $2. Yeah, usually they're, I would say, I don't know this brand. This is not like a drug. It could be a drugstore brand. I'm not really sure. But, they're in the range for a lip liner, maybe of that size, anywhere $3 to $5. So, I think it pays for itself. Plus, it gives you the opportunity to try all these brands. I have not tried the Balm blush. Well, I'm going to. I've never tried anything from Yensa. I do have Luxie brushes. I have tried the Jante Blue liner. We got one once before. And I've never tried the Ciate London mascara. So, it allows you to try these brands. And then if you decide you love them, you can make the repurchase and for the full size, and sometimes you can repurchase them right on the Ipsy website. I've tried to get on for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, so you get, you know, full-size products. I'm not exactly 100% sure on the price. I don't think it says it in the booklet, but I'm going to keep on trying to see, because you get, I think it's 5 full-size products with a value of over $120. So I'm going to keep trying to, because I know they've released some, but then they have everybody like on a wait list. And there have been people that have been trying to get on this for months and months and months. So I'm going to give it a try again and see if maybe I can get on the Glam Bag Plus so that I can, you know, bring that to you guys and let you see what it is. But for $10 a month, this is a great subscription every month and one of my favorites. And I will never cancel this. I like it that much. So that's my video for today, and this is the Ipsy Glam Bag for January 2019. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.